how to upload the photos and files onto your Google Drive. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. If you are a user of a Google Drive, you would know that in order to access the Google Drive shortcut, you need to have a Google Chrome, and within the Google Chrome apps, if you have installed that Google Drive extension, it will be visible here. So click that. It will open your Google Drive folder. Towards the left side, you will see all the options: your drive, your computer, the files which are shared with you, and the recycle bin, and the storage which you have used. On the top, you will see the new. From here, you will get the option of uploading the photos and files. Once you will click this new, you will have all these options. You can upload a folder also, you can upload a file also. Since image is a file, so you can upload the images with the help of a file just by clicking this and then selecting your desired file. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to just upload this one picture which I have in my folder, and I just need to click this open. So towards this right side, bottom right side, you see that it is saying starting upload, and it will take some time. Once this image is uploaded, you will see a green tick mark over here, and then you can access this picture by clicking this folder option, and within the My Drive, this picture would be saved. Double click this file or an image will be visible here, and from these drop down menus you can select move to, and then you can move this image to any specific folder. So that's how you can upload the files and images onto your Google Drive. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.